Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is HTC U24 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to check notifications history on this device. Alright, so to do this we have to open our panel shortcut from here, from the left top corner, and here we have to click on a history. And as you can see, I don't have any recent notifications in my history, but here you can check your notification history. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!